Is the maintenance of small fields inefficient and costly? Is dry land farming small, in scale and low efficiency? Are agricultural drones too expensive, heavy, and complicated? FP150 Agricultural Drone, suitable for dry farmland, small fields and family farms. Convenient operation for one person, easy to move and transport, low cost, high efficiency and powerful strength. FP150 covers everything that is much liked in the FP series. Simple, refined, compact, and easy to use. It's built on the functions users love and frequently use. Perfect operation of software and hardware. Smoother operation experience. FP150 uses 5.5-inch bright screen RC. The battery life is up to 6 hours. Easy and convenient to use, starting operations with simple setup. Advanced flight control technology, precise and intelligent. Adjustable front FPV, making drone field mapping more convenient. Smart breakpoint function, time saving and battery saving. Equipped with obstacle avoidance radar to ensure the flight safety. Durable structure and high precision appearance. With IP67 protection level, the drone is flushable after operation, easy maintenance. Using modular design, with a 12 set, 90% of the parts can be easily repaired. 15 liters tank. One battery is enough for 2 tank spraying operation. The working efficiency can be up to 8.67 hectares per hour. Equipped with 8 nozzles, the spray width reaches 5 to 7 meters. The max flow rate is up to 5.4 liters per minute. Fine optimization and strong penetration. 2 batteries and 1 charger are enough for daily operation. The battery capacity is 20,000 mAh, which can be fully charged within 15 minutes. This is a brand new FP150 Agricultural Drone. It is high cost effective. It is a first choice for beginners.